Here's Finny sitting up. Hello, Mr. Finns. Oh, Finny sitting up. Oh, Mr. Finny. Hello. Finny sitting up. Oh, he's got red cheeks. Hello, Finns. Oh, you're going to go. Oh, careful. Oh, Finny. Hello. Wow, Finny sitting. This is what am I doing? Hello. He's 6.5 months old and he's sitting up on his own. Wow. Oops. Over you go. You did well. Finny. Yeah.